folks, Mike and McGee here. We have finished the silage tire. It's gone. So we need to tear it down and get all that wooden structure took apart, get everything put away. And then, as soon as we get that done, we're gonna open the box silage. We built that wooden frame, heavy duty box, and we packed it very full. We packed it too full, and then we took a jack, a big old railroad jack, and jacked the lid down onto it and screwed it down fast. So we're gonna take those screws out, open it up, and see what we've got inside. It's the most exciting little box of silage I've ever done. So let's get this place cleaned up and get to it. We may have to use the four-wheeler to pull the tarp. Around to the other side, you can drive that direction. Back up that way and then drive over to the spot we'll unload it. Turned out to be a lot harder than I thought it was going to be to get that tarp out. We had to rip the tarp in 3 pieces to get it out of there. Oh, Rusty's a good boy. I don't know if you can see it in the time lapse, but this rat come hopping out, and Caleb got after it. But Caleb could have never got it. It was going to get away, but Rusty came to the rescue and he killed that rat. I don't know what it is in dogs that they hate rats, but a lot of dogs will kill a rat. That's a good boy. That's a good boy. Yeah. So anyway, there was also a bullfrog about that long that came hopping out. I grabbed it and Caleb took it to the pond. He turned it loose in the pond. He's on the way back now. That was a big old job. It was not too hard to get the wood structure down, but getting that tarp out from under about 5 tons, I don't know how much of that old silage. Some of it looked good. I thought it was good. I tried to give it to the calves. They wouldn't touch it. They would not eat it, so not good. But Rusty knew that rat was in there from the start. He was just every once in a while sniffing the trail. There was a tunnel under there. The old rat was living good till today. So anyway, it's time to get that box silage opened up and see if that's any good. I sure hope it's still good, because if it's no good, it's no good. That'd be bad. Let's get it open. We have got serious wind today. My camera's already blown over once and I had to stick my tripod through the fence, but I can't do that from this angle. So Mr. Caleb is holding the tripod so it don't blow over. Here is the big old lid made out of 2x12s. I am going to take all the screws out right quick and we'll see what's in there. I got a feeling the wind noise is terrible today. I hope it's salvageable. I hope we can even use this footage. But here we go. It's time to open her up. Oh man, we got a problem. We got a big problem. I am absolutely flabbergasted. See it here. There is no silage in there. It's just deep and it's all rotten. It's all rotten. Oh, what on earth? I cannot believe it for the life of me. There's rat holes in it. It stinks rotten. There's what is that, turds?
Yeah, rat turd.
Are you sure?
I'm pretty sure some of that is like those little grubby things.
Yeah, there's some grubs, but ay. Come here and hold this. This beats anything I've ever seen. That was a hard lesson learned. I guess if we would have used it 2 months after we made it, it would have probably been good. But that was warm in the winter and that attracted rats and everything in there. They could dig in. They also had rain moisture, snow moisture dripping down through it, which I thought most of it would shed off that way we did the plastic. But once it started shrinking and compacting, I mean, it's literally only this deep now. That blows my mind. This was the thing I was really hoping would make it where I didn't have to feed any more hay. It ain't. Oh boy, I don't know what to think about it. I mean, we got some nice mulch now, but that is awful. I cannot believe it. Now, wish Rusty'd come over here. That dog does not come when you call all the time, and that's an aggravation. He's a good dog, but he's got problems. Rusty, come here. Come here, I'll put you in there and let you find a rat. Come on. Come. Come. Come on. That's what he does. He'll do that to anybody and everybody if you don't want to come. I think Joel, he'll come every time, you think?
Pretty much.
Does he sometimes do that to Joel?
I don't really know.
He loves going with Joel to milk. But once he gets laid up and he wants to rest, he's done. I guess he's about like me. Anyway, there's definitely some rats in there, I believe. Oh man, now what we're gonna do with this box? Maybe next year we'll make silage in it and we'll just use it quicker. Ay, ay, ay. It's the last silage we made, so it was the last I wanted to use. That was a mistake. That was a big mistake. Man, oh man, guys. I don't know if you've ever seen me this flabbergasted, because I was getting ready to open this. All of my silage has always been successful. I've had very, very few, if any, failures at making silage. I mean, even if it turned out not to be the best silage in the world, it was always good enough. And right now, they would eat a snowball. I mean, they're at the point where they will literally eat anything I give them, except for that silage I tried earlier. But my goodness, this here is pitiful. I cannot, absolutely and totally cannot believe it. It is compost. It smells like dirt. It's awful. It's awful. So, anyway, that goes to show no matter how pack you tied it, how pack you tied it. What on earth, McGee? That goes to show you how no matter how tight you pack it, it can still go bad, because it was packed tight. Unbelievably tight. And it had plastic all around it. Everything seemed good, but of course the rats dug in and a little rain leaked in or whatever. I can't believe it. That was 2 long half days of work to do all this. So basically a big day down the drain. So anyway, I guess I'll tell my wife she's got some garden fertilizer and mulch up here if she wants it. That might make her smile. She might feed me a big meal, and that would be worth a full hard day of work. I mean, I've done that before lots of times, so we'll see how she likes that. But my goodness, you just seen the most shocked McGee that you probably ever saw. But that's all I got for you. Hope you have a great day. Better than this. We'll see you on the next video.